reporting here live from the Bronx. Blizzard's going on, and it's looking crazy out here. You know, you got stuff you can't even see across the street. It's wild here.
You took a picture? You took a picture?
Chip here. We have a resident here from the Bronx. We're gonna ask her. Oh, hello. What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Jessica.
Thank you. Hysterical these people are here. Hello, Jessica. Do you live in the area? Really? She lives right in this house right here. So, how do you feel about this blizzard? She can't even speak.
Hey, you want to wear boots?
Whoa! We've been having boots thrown everywhere.
We're gonna put this on the Facebook.
Online, and it's just ridiculous. So, Jessica.
Yes.
You enjoying the snow?
I love it. It's so awesome.
Really? And do you watch my channel?
Sorry.
It's all right. All right. Thank you, Jessica. You go ahead. Have a nice day. You go ahead. All right. So here reporting from Channel 69 News.